Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah. This is No BS Beauty. Sorry, I've got wet hair. I just took a shower. I'm starting to really like a morning shower lately. I don't know, ever since I had that laser done. Lately, at the end of the day, I've been really tired. Maybe my tooth stuff going on. So I'm just liking a morning shower lately. So anyway, yeah. Okay, so on to today's video. So today I'm going to talk about the Ulta picks for the 21 days of beauty sale. And as cameraman stated, the important people, the people that spend the most money, get to shop early. So Thursday, today, they get to start shopping this morning in store and to get early access. So if you're important, aka big spender, you get to shop early. I don't know if I count in that category anymore. I used to always, but this last year I didn't hit rouge, which I'm fine with, and I didn't hit diamond, I know that. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, so on today's picks. So for March 7th, Friday, they've got some goodies, some liquid blushes from Nars, Tula moisturizers, and my pick is OLAPLEX. This isn't the product. It's the OLAPLEX number 8 Intense Moisture Damage Repair Mask. This is just their oil, which I actually started playing with today, and it's really nice. And I have tried their mask. Currently on my bathroom shelf in there, I've got the number 3, number 4, number 5 purple shampoo and a clarifying shampoo. So I think out of like the entire shelf, it's all OLAPLEX stuff. So now I need that mask, and the oil's really nice too. So check out all the links at NoBSBeauty/21 days of beauty sale.
21 days.
21 days. Sorry, NoBSBeauty/21 days. Okay, so check that out. I'll link to that below as well, just so you know. Okay, so Friday, very exciting. Good times. OLAPLEX is regularly 30 bucks, so it's kind of an expensive product. So 50% off. Okay, for the next day, Saturday, March 8th, my pick is Peach and Lily's got a couple products 50% off. Their Retinal for All Serum is really nice. And their newer one, their Transparent C Pro Moisturizer. I haven't had a chance to play with this yet, but I picked it up recently. I guess I should have waited. But it was really nice. And in my opinion, the Retinal for All Serum is totally underrated. It is on the expensive side, so now it's half off. So check out those for Peach and Lily. Good stuff. And anything else that day, It Cosmetics brushes. It Cosmetics must have been big into this because I think they've got different brushes featured for each day. I've had good luck with their brushes, though. No complaints. I bought some of them a long time ago, and they're still going strong. Okay, so for Sunday, March 9th, I've got a couple picks. Actually, one of them is a product I hadn't tried yet. It's the Beekman Milk RX Advanced Better Aging Cream, which is regularly 66 bucks, so it'll be 33 bucks. It contains peptides and exosomes. I was looking at it a couple weeks ago, and it looked really nice, and I just kind of saved it. So hopefully I'll be able to pick it up that day. Sometimes they go out of sale fast, or they go out of stock fast. So that was one. And then my other pick for Saturday, March 9th, COSRX Snail Mucin Essence. Absolutely love this stuff, especially after my laser treatment, my BBL and Moxie laser. Snail cream has been, and Essence have been a favorite of mine to calm down and rehydrate because my skin feels like sandpaper. It's not even fun to put makeup on at all, so I just haven't. So check those out for Sunday. Okay, Monday, March 10th, the BeautyStat Peptide Cream, Scene Haircare First Aid Beauty Radiance Pads. I really wanted, there's some BeautyStat products I like and I've had good luck with, but this Peptide Cream, I don't recommend it. It just doesn't look great, and it's, I just don't personally recommend it looking at the ingredient list. But if you're into BeautyStat, never pay more than half price for their stuff because they usually have them on sale frequently on gmadeals.com. So anyway, so my pick is from the brand Kinship. It's not this, but they have a new rich ceramide and collagen firming cream, which is 55 bucks. This is their super mellow cream, which is really wonderful as well. I really like some of their products. And this collagen and firming cream, 55 bucks seemed a little pricey, so I just hadn't picked it up yet because I think this was like, when it first came out, I think it was like 25 or 27 bucks, so it got a little bit more pricey, but now that it is half off, I think it might be worth checking out. Okay, next up, Tuesday, March 11th, the KVD, Kat Von D, sad rebrand, just an awful rebrand. It's, anyway. Liquid lipsticks, Kiehls, fresh. My pick is the Clinique Sheer Tint Moisture Hydro Broad Spectrum SPF Tinted Moisturizer. It's really nice. The shade I wear is Universal Light. I probably could go down a shade lighter, actually. But lately, I finished up my favorite BB cream, and I've been coming back to this, and I really like it. So, yeah. I put it on with the Beauty Blender. It's really nice. I wouldn't actually rely on it for total SPF 25 protection if you're applying it like a foundation, but there is sunscreen in there, so it's really nice. No fragrance in it. And if you can check it out in the store, the shade, that might be a good idea if you can. But so I have Universal Light. I probably could have gone down one tone. So, okay, so check that out at nobiusbeauty.com/21 days. Okay, next up, Wednesday, March 12th, we've got some lip gloss sticks from MAC, some Smashbox primers, Depew apple cider vinegar hair care, which I just like these once in a while for just a clarifying rinse. I don't use them maybe like once a week or something like that. They're really nice, and I have good luck with them. And the other one that I'm really highly recommending is the Peach and Lily Wild Dew Essence. It's regularly $39, so you'll be able to get it for just under $20, I want to say, if my math is correct. Sorry, Ike is again in the bathroom with me. He loves it here. So worth checking out. Very nice essence. You just pat it onto your skin, and it's really nice. And no scent in it. Okay, Thursday, March 13th, we've got Inner Sense Hair Mask. That's a nice brand. They have some nice stuff. They tend to not use a lot of fragrance in their hair care products, so they're worth checking out. My pick is the Rabanne Mini Eyeshadow Palette Duo, which is really $28, and they've got some nice fun duos. The duo I ordered and bought, let me see if I can get this open properly. I don't remember how to get this open. Hang on. Okay. Cameraman, we need you. Cameraman is needed to get this open because I can't get it open. It's complicated. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to open like this. Oh, maybe I got it. I just got it. I didn't even need you. So the one I got has silver and gold on it, and I really like silver, metallic silver eyeshadow. So what is the shade called? It's called Sparkle and Metal Door. Dior. Metal. So I really like it. To figure out how to open it. It's been a while. You know what? It's in my little, I've got a pile of a couple of eyeshadows, and it just is at the bottom, but it's nice and it's really worth checking out. So, okay. I think I used it in a video too. So, okay. So I really like that one. Next up, Friday, March 14th, Bare Minerals Powder Foundations Lancome Mascara. And my pick was the Kiehls Ultra Face Cream with Squalane. This is their version with sunscreen in it, but the regular version's pretty nice. It's regularly $39. It's not terribly expensive. It's kind of more pricey brand, but it's a nice overall basic, simple moisturizer. It's not super anti-aging or super brightening, or it's just a simple moisturizer, but it's really nice. And this is their sunscreen version, which is going to expire in 3 months, so I better hurry up and get down to that. Okay, next up, Saturday, March 15th, It Cosmetics CC Cream, the Way Anti-Frizz Cream, hairsprays, and Tarte Juicy Lip Cream, which is regularly $26, so you'll be able to get it for $13. These are just nice. So the shade I have is Peachy Pink. I think I got this in a lower beauty box. And it's just a really nice lipstick. You can see I've used it a couple times there. But it's nice and hydrating, and it doesn't have like an overwhelming scent. It has more of a vanilla type scent, which a lot of lipsticks have too much of a floral scent. I don't like those, but this stuff's really nice, so worth checking out. Okay, so we've got that one. Okay, next up, Sunday, March 16th, we've got the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer versions. This is the jelly. This is back when they were customizing it. Now it's just 3 different versions again. The yellows and then the jelly. I like the jelly one better than the yellow. The yellow versions are just too oily for me. Even with my dry skin, it is too oily. And my other pick is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen Brow Wiz, which is really nice. So I use the shade, this is medium brown, but I also have one in soft brown. I think soft brown is a little bit better for me. This one's a little dark, but actually it's really handy though. So you get the spoolie on one side so you can kind of blend it in, and then the eyeliner on the other side. So very nice though. They're kind of expensive normally. How much are they normally? $25 and get them for half off. Worth checking out, I think. Okay, next up, Monday, March 17th. Flying by. Foreo Silicone Brush Cleaner, Juice Beauty Serums. And they've got the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Balm. This is not it, but it's in a white tube, and it has no taste to it, really. So I finished up my last one last summer. I really like them. And they're kind of expensive. They're 28 bucks normally. So when I finished that one last summer, I didn't repurchase it because it was so expensive, but now it's on sale. So this is, I don't even know if they still make this one. Perfecting wand. I don't know. Do I have anything else in my, I don't see any other ones. Usually I have a fresh lip balm somewhere, but yeah, not handy. Okay, next up, Tuesday, March 18th. This is, I think, my second or third bottle of the Indie Lee Brightening Cleanser. It's a really nice cleanser, regularly 38 bucks. It doesn't have a strong scent in it. It's very gentle, which is nice. So it's not, doesn't remove super stubborn makeup, but it's just a nice, gentle, like morning type cleanser. Dermablend body makeup. I didn't really know body makeup was a thing, but it's like leg BB cream or something. I mean, how complicated do I have to get? I guess if you're being a photo shoot, people probably use them, huh? I don't know. Tarte Face Shaped Setting Mist Scalp Scrub from Brigio. Okay. Couple days left. Wednesday, March 19th. The Beekman Serums. I really like these. They're regularly 29 bucks. They've got, I think, 3 different versions. I've got the Bakuchiel version and then the Willow Bark version. So this would be more for like blackheads, breakouts, things like that. This one's more for anti-aging. They're normally on the pricier side, so now you can get them for about $14.50. So worth checking out those. Thursday, March 20th, DHC Deep Cleansing Oil, which is expensive, $31.50. So for K-Beauty brand, this one's kind of expensive, but this is my second or third bottle of it. It's really nice. It's pretty gentle, but it does a really good job removing makeup. And I typically use another cleanser afterwards, and it does a nice job. So that one was worth checking out. Haven't taken out of the box yet, but just waiting for the perfect time. So there we go. Okay, let's see. They also have Lanolips Lip Balm, which I thought was okay. I didn't go over the top with it, but some people really, really, really love it. So check that out. Okay, Friday, March 21st. Let's see. The big pick for the day is the MAC Prep and Prime Primer Setting Spray. So this is their regular. For a while, they had one that had a little bit of a kind of a glow to it. I went through that one so fast. I really loved it. This one's just the simple one, but it's really nice. Or you can use it to apply certain eye mascara and things like that. And you can just use a setting spray. It's very useful, and it's nice. I really like the ones with the shimmer in it. So, okay, for Saturday, March 22nd, I didn't have any picks. So they have the Charlotte Tilbury Setting Spray, Beauty Blender Sponge Cleanser Set, and another body oil. Okay, March 23rd. I know I'll get questions about this one. Ceramide. It's a supplement. It's normally like $100. It's half off. If you do some shopping, you can get the same vitamins in a different form and not spend $100 a month, because I think it's a month's supply. So don't do that. Do the research on what's in it and then get that supplement somewhere else. Sunday Riley Pink Drink, and my pick was the Sunday Riley Ice Moisturizer. It's very nice, but I like their Tidal Moisturizer the best, but I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know what's going on with that brand as a whole. They haven't really released a whole lot lately, so I don't know, but I did like the Ice Cream Moisturizer. Okay, Monday, March 24th. I think we're almost done. Win Lip Glosses, Belief Golden Glow Serum, It Cosmetics, Confidence and Anti-Aging Moisturizer. And my pick is the COSRX Alpha Arbutin Discoloration Care Serum, which I don't have and I haven't tried it yet, so I'm excited. It's regularly 25 bucks, so it's a steal for 12 bucks. Definitely picking that one up. For Tuesday, March 25th, I have no picks. We've got some Dermalogica stuff, a couple of Volition beauty products. That brand's going through the stores. Is there an Ulta? No, it's Sephora for a while. Now they seem to be kind of trailing off at Ulta. I don't know what's going on, but they seem to really ramp up production of stuff really fast. I couldn't keep up with them. Wednesday, March 26th, Taka Fragrances Living Proof Bond Treatment KVD eyeliners. And my pick was the Skin Hyaluron Essence, which I really like. They also have a cleansing version of this, which was nice, and an AHA Essence, which is also looks nice. I haven't tried that one yet. So regularly 25 bucks, really nice product. And last but not least, Thursday, March 27th, my pick was the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Longwear Foundation. The shade I have is number 4. I have all of the Charlotte Tilbury foundations. This one's nice. I typically mix in a little bit of bronzer with it, and it gives it a little bit of a glow, and it kind of helps it not feel as thick applying it. So this one's pretty full coverage, so keep that in mind. But it's nice overall, pretty nice. And then usually at some point they'll do like a whole day where you get to pick everything you missed if it's in stock again. So anyway, so these are my picks. I'll do a daily video as well, so you can check those out. I will link to everything you need to know below, and nobsbeauty.com/21 days. Leave a comment, curious about what you're thinking of picking up. And thanks so much. I'll see you guys more tomorrow. Bye, guys.